everybody, and welcome back to the farm. I know it's been about 8 months since I posted a video, but this is the problem right here. My computer died, and the hard drive that I had all my video files on crashed, and I had to send it away to be recovered. But I finally have all the videos back from 2024 and 2025, and there's a lot to show you. But the purpose of this particular video is kind of a welcome back to the channel and a wish to everybody that you have a healthy and happy new year. And in the new year, I'm going to be compiling all of these videos to catch you up on what's been happening over the last 8 months or more. Because when we left off 8 months ago, we were only into roughly May or June of 2024. And man, 2024 was a heck of a year. We had a major tornado rip through our area, which caused huge amounts of damage. And then as the fall moved in, it was probably one of the wettest falls that we've had in many years. And then the winter ended up being the heaviest snowfall that we've had in decades. The result of that snowfall on the farm was terrible. My garage collapsed, and my major barn and the smaller barn both shifted. So there are major concerns. But there were also interesting things that happened. Megan and her chickens created a farm stand, which was wildly successful. I was able to get a lot of the cleanup done of the garage, but the spring of 2025 was horrendous. We had 9 or 10 straight weeks of rain. It was disastrous for all of the farms around the area. And we'll get into that as we go through some of the videos, but I was able to create my first crop at the farm, buckwheat. And that was the only thing that I could plant, since the local area farmers and myself didn't get to plant until almost July of this year. And as usual, I had my fair share of breakdowns and equipment failures. At one point during 2025, I had no equipment that was working. Nothing with an engine worked. But through some perseverance and some creativity, I got everything running again, and I actually did some upgrades. There has been the purchase of some new equipment. There has been upgrades of old equipment, including engine swaps. And there's been a lot of other interesting things that have happened that hopefully I will be able to walk you through over the upcoming year of videos. As in the past, it's been a frustrating but educational year and a half here at the farm. And now here we are in January 2026. It's been the earliest and heaviest winter that we've had in about 30 years. Because of the amount of snowfall, I haven't been able to access the farm in almost 9 weeks. But with the weather here, I'm going to stay nice and warm in front of a fire, produce some videos for you, and catch you all up on the interesting things that have happened at the farm over the last year. So that's it. I just wanted to make a short video to wish everybody a happy and healthy 2026, and to let you know that the videos are back and that there's a lot of content to come. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.